In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a reminder in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an event with a notification so you never miss something important again. We'll move step by step, slowly enough to follow along, but quickly enough that you can get this done in just a couple of minutes. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the reminder to appear. If you have multiple accounts, double check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once the page loads, you'll see your calendar laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your current view. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. This is usually a colorful button that stands out a bit. Click on Create to open the menu where you can add something new to your calendar. This is your main starting point anytime you want to add an event, task, or reminder. From the menu that appears, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar that you're adding something scheduled like a meeting, appointment, or reminder. Even though Google has other options like tasks, using an event with notifications is a very reliable way to get a reminder at the exact time you choose. Now, in the event window that opens, start by adding a title. Click in the title field and type a short, clear name for your reminder, such as Pay Rent, Doctor Appointment, or Call Client. A descriptive title makes it easy to recognize what the reminder is about when you see it later on your calendar or in your notifications. After that, choose the date and time. You'll see fields for the start date and time and possibly an end time as well. Click on the date to open the calendar picker and select the day you want. Then set the time you want the reminder to trigger. If you just need a simple reminder, you can leave the end time as is or shorten the duration so it doesn't block too much of your calendar. You can also adjust the time zone if needed, especially if you're traveling or scheduling something in a different region. Now it's time to add the actual notification, which is what turns this event into a useful reminder. Look for the notification section, usually labeled with something like notification or add notification. Click there and choose how early you want to be reminded. For example, you might set it to 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, or even a day in advance. You can usually choose between an email notification or a standard pop-up notification on your device. If you want more than one reminder, add an extra notification and set a different time for it, such as one day before and then again 10 minutes before. When everything looks good, go to the bottom of the event window and click Save. After you save, your reminder event will appear on your calendar on the date and time you chose. If notifications are enabled on your computer or phone, you'll get an alert automatically when the time comes. That's all there is to it. You've just created a reminder in Google Calendar using an event with notifications, and you can repeat these same steps anytime you need to remember something important.